Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we will show you how to redact a PDF using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. There is sometimes confidential and sensitive information, such as bank account numbers, social security numbers, and other personal data, that needs to be made invisible in a PDF document. Proper redaction ensures that this information can't be recovered, protecting privacy and preventing misuse. Manual processes require the use of black marker tools or deletion, but these methods often fail because hidden metadata or improperly removed text can still be extracted. That's why using a secure PDF redaction tool is critical. Tenorshare PDNob permanently erases sensitive content, leaving no trace behind. So let's see how quick and easy it is to redact a PDF using Tenorshare PDNob. Download and install the software from the official link in the description below. Launch the software and you'll arrive on this interface. Come over to the top left and click on Open PDF and use Windows File Explorer to locate and open the PDF file you want to redact. The PDF will be loaded into the software, and as you can see, there are plenty of tools and settings which you can use to work on any PDF document. Head over to the Protect tab and click on Mark for Redaction. As you can see, this notice shows up to notify you that the areas you marked will be permanently blacked out. Click on OK and highlight the areas you want to redact in the document. After highlighting the portions of the document, come to the top right side of the screen and click on Apply Redaction. And just like that, you have permanently blocked out the contents. To save a copy of this document to your computer, come to the top left side of the screen and click on Save. And that is how you quickly and easily redact a PDF with Tenorshare PDNob. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.